Spam. Spam. I'm going to make a spam sandwich. First I'm going to start off tonight. I'm throwing a couple of cheap ass pieces of bread in this little cooker. Yeah, that's the butt. I ain't got no butter. No nothing. Fry that on. Anyway, I'll open my spam. Isn't that beautiful? Be patient. Choke a small hole in the bottom. It makes this easier to come out. There we go. Now, I will make a couple of small slices to this jellyfish-like material. I'm just going to go with 1/4 inch slices. Might as well slice it all, right? Gotta use it eventually. I think I'll try a small piece of this on its own, by itself, just a small piece. Maybe a bigger small piece. I know this is going to be salty. It's salty as hell. I'm already going to get something to put the rest of this in. That will be a baggie. Be extra. What baggie? A sack. A sack, I say, a sack. Any kind of sack. Bread sack. Nut sack. And we'll save the rest for later. Because I'm definitely not going to eat that much salt tonight. Okay. Burning. There we go. Uh-oh. Smoke detector about to go off. Okay, we'll just take those off there. As long as it's cooked on one side. And we'll put in our spam. Let's turn the heat down a little bit. Spam. Just for the hell of it. because I love cheese. And I'm hungry. I have some ranch dressing that I can put on this, and of course my cheese. This is about Spam. I need a better flipper. Cook, goddammit! Definitely not ready yet. I want to have my cheese with the sandwich, not on the sandwich. For some reason. I only got a little bit of cheese left too. Cook! I'm gonna turn it up. Cook! Cook, cook, cook! Make it cook. Now it's cooking. Look at it do its magic. Now, since this is already cooked, I'm going to try and flip one of these over, all of them over, everything. Actually, kind of sticky. That just ain't right. I'm going to try a piece of this one by itself. Spam, spam, spam. Honestly, I can't say it's bad stuff. It's good. What I think I'm going to do instead of, I'm going to go ahead and make a sandwich with cheese. Since I tried it by itself, and it's good, I'm just going to go ahead and make a sandwich because I know it's already good. cheese is old, it's falling apart. This is extra sharp cheddar. I love that cheese. I'm going to save that very last bit of cheese for later. This is all I got left. Don't use a sharp utensil in your non-stick skillet. This non-stick is for shit. It sucks. It's worthless and it's a piece of shit. So fuck it. In other words, let's make a sandwich and be done with it. Ranch. This is buttermilk ranch. More than enough for a sandwich. What the heck was that? This stuff is so good. It's Hidden Valley. It's good stuff. Works for me. Didn't cost me nothing. Okay. Is it soup yet? Wow, hot. Let it melt that cheese. I just can't believe I just ate a whole can of that crap. Boy, it's salty. Okay. Let's put a lid on that. Or take the lid off and put the bread lid on it. I know that's hot enough to be melted already. Turn that down. go. Think it's too hot to eat? There we go. Hot. I don't taste a thing except the Spam. Want to taste some cheese. Oops. I wasn't prepared for this. I mean, for to only taste Spam and nothing else. When you taste Spam over sharp, extra sharp cheddar cheese, there's something very strong. And it is strong. But unless you are just like a Spam lover, I wouldn't I would go with bologna instead. Something, you know, if you're gonna eat a cheese sandwich, I would go with bologna instead of this stuff. This stuff might go better, since it's so strong, it might go better in like beans and weenies or something. Substitute this for the weenies, because it's just way too strong a flavor to have in a simple sandwich, I think. For now, I mean, I could try it again later. We'll see. I might make another video and try something else and see what happens. It's not horrible. It's just really salty. Very salty and strong. Will I make it again? Yeah. I have to, because I bought 3 cans of this stuff. And this is only half of the first can. Yeah. So it's like, it's good. It's just really salty. It overpowers everything. Anyway, see you in my next video.